Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Google Play Store is missing, disabled or not working, this video will help you recover and restore it on any Android phone. Let's fix it step by step. First, swipe up to open your app drawer and use the search bar to look for Play Store. If it appears but is not on your home screen, just tap and drag it back. If it's not showing at all, it might be disabled. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and type Google Play Store. If you see a button that says Enable, tap it and the Play Store will come back. And if Play Store opens but is not working, go to the same page, scroll down and tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data, then reopen the Play Store. If the Play Store is completely gone, go to your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to play.google.com/store/apps and download the official Play Store APK from a trusted source like apkmirror.com. Once downloaded, install it and give permission to install unknown apps when prompted. If it's still not working, as a last resort, go to Settings and then scroll down until you see this option called General Management and tap on it. Tap on Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap Factory Data Reset. Only do this after backing up your data. And that's how you recover your Google Play Store on Android. If this video helped, please like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.